Hi, Sarah. You asked about this question here. So I skipped. I guess you're right. I did skip some steps here. But I guess if I'm going to think about this, I guess I'm going this way. So you got the integral of 2 dx minus the integral. I should have done this before. The integral of cosine 5x dx. Okay, so this bit, the first bit, I think probably pretty much fine with. The derivative of what is 2? Well, 2x. Okay. Now, I guess here you have to kind of think about things. Okay, so I guess the first bit I think of is, here. I think of the derivative of sine 5x. Right, because we agree that bit should be there. Right, because the derivative of sine is going to be cosine. Okay, so if I wrote this, it would be cosine 5x times 5, right, from the chain rule. So if I put in the sine 5x, right, that we know has to be there, right? But if I take the derivative of sine 5x, I get 5 cosine 5x. Well, I don't have this 5 here. Oh, hold on, I gotta think. And okay, I'm back. I think I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. But you see, the 5's not there. So I guess we have to, so to speak, undo the 5, right? So I put a 1/5 out front. Right, and then there's your plus c. And then, right, I guess I don't really need these parentheses. So that's why that minus sign is there, because the minus sign already was there. And that's where I get my answer. 2x minus 1/5 sine 5x plus c. You see, I can pretty much kind of go straight through. Okay, so you referred to this rule down here. Maybe make that a little bit bigger, easier to see. If f of x is negative a sine ax, then f of x is cosine ax. But look, you're putting the a in the wrong spot if you put a 5 here, right? This is your f prime. That's your lowercase f. And this is your uppercase f, right? I'm taking the antiderivative. See, the derivative of cosine would be minus sine times a. So I guess the rule that we would kind of be aware of at this point, if I'm trying to think of it in terms of a rule, and I really think this is more confusing. If I said f of x equals a cosine ax, right, then capital F of x, would be sine ax. So one, you're looking at the other side, right? This is an integral rule. This rule, I guess, is probably better thought of as backslash integral minus a sine ax dx equals cos ax plus c. Right, so since you're taking an antiderivative, that's what you're looking at here, right? We had a cosine, not a sine. So, again, this we'd probably rather think of as the integral of a cos ax dx equals sine ax plus c. But look, right? This is not the situation we're in, right? With that a here. With our problem, I don't have an a. So why don't I do this? Why don't I factor out the a? Because I can do that, right? And then I suppose, how about divide by a, right? So this cosine ax dx equals 1 over a sine ax plus c. And look, that's actually the situation we're in. And that's probably the more realistic scenario that you're going to be dealing with, is that thing. You see, right? Because if the derivative would give you, sine ax times a, the antiderivative is going to be sine ax times 1 over a to cancel it out. That's really the best way to think about it. But you can see I skipped the steps because there really wasn't a lot to do, right, from here to here, right? The integral of 2 is 2x. I saw cosine 5x. I thought sine 5x. Toss a 1/5 out front. Okay, I hope a little better. But anything else, let me know.